have vision. Like that I like. Yeah. Yeah. That kind of stuff I like. You know, that's actually helping, you know, the human civilization.
And veterans and people who
Yeah.
get injuries.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what getting.
Yeah. Uh-huh. That was a simple home back in the day.
Yeah.
Little bench, little bed area. There goes the old, what you call it, pipes made from bone
Mm-hmm.
from China, directly from China. Yeah, that is for oxygen. But as you see, look at that, the horn in the middle, the one that goes around the neck.
Yeah.
You see, so how small those cows were back in the day, not today with those big necks. Iroquois garden and pond planting. Beans, corn, and squash. Oh yeah, I remember that they said something about that. I think they said something at that not the Mossman, but the Maybe farm.
Yeah.
Remember they said that the Indians used to plant 3 plants together: corn, beans, and squash together because they all helped each other grow.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's what you got here. You got squash. I see corn. I don't see string beans though. There's squash and corn. But that's good to know.
Yeah.
They complement each other.
Mm-hmm.
Made out of metal. So they have like, this is like a little theater area here.
Yeah.
Like down there, performance room, you know, like the Greeks used to have
Yeah.
back in the day.
I was here.
Yeah. Lucy Hamilton Amphitheater. There we go. I wonder if they have any actual productions here. Who knows? See, beautiful view. Oh man, look at that view. Look at that. I swear, like, look at the view. If you look at here with the big tree right here, and that, it's like, look, that thing must be like some sort of like lighthouse out there.
Yeah.
Just imagine this. Look how beautiful that is, like, with this big tree, with the lake.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Okay, same thing with this one, the big tree.
Yeah.
It just makes everything look like so different, having that tree right there. Bark house. Bark house. So that's how they made houses back in the day, the Indians, huh?
Mm-hmm. That's where the local Mohawk group came.
Yeah. Bark house. I mean, just look at that beauty. Look at that beauty right there. Seagull Lake. Yeah, so it is it's a tower. Yeah, this way. Right, all over the place almost. There goes the trolley again.